Hello, and welcome to another eToll-free tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how to log in as an agent using the Softphone. Since we will be using a Softphone to log into the agent interface, this means we will take an extra step to the process. This video applies to the most common Softphone available at the time of creating this video, whether it's zoiper, bria, or other Softphone versions. Here is the step-by-step instructions on how to log in to eDialer using a Softphone. Let's get started. First, open your installed Softphone. Then, wait until the Softphone shows it's registered. It can take a couple of seconds to a minute. Now, open your Chrome browser. Make sure to whitelist your IP address when necessary using eDialer's Firewall credentials. Click Agent Login. Type in your phone and user credentials. Choose the campaign. If you don't see the campaign list on the drop-down, click Refresh the campaign list. Then click Submit. As soon as you click Submit, your Softphone will ring. It's important to answer the call and never hang up. The Softphone will function as your audio for the dialer. If for some reason you accidentally hang up the call on your Softphone, you will need to log out and log back in to initiate the web and audio synchronization. Then, depending on your user privilege, you may or may not see a pop-up box for inbound. For any other eDialer concerns, feel free to go to our website, www.etollfree.net, and click the chat support icon, located at the bottom right of the web page. Our friendly eToll-free customer support representatives are ready to help from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. If you need to send a ticket after office hours, not a problem. Email us at support@etollfree.net, and someone from eToll-free support will reach out to you as soon as possible.